What is up, my incredible, amazing YouTube friends? I am so excited to have you back here in what I lovingly call the most epic garage on the YouTube platform for another super sick detail. I've got a 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. It is here for the complete transformation, exterior and interior. A main focus, or a big focus, why the customer thought of me is, well, one, I'm of course amazing, and some milk spilled underneath this driver's seat. So we'll take that out, get the carpets cleaned underneath it, and we'll get the rest of this done. This is gonna be sick, so let's just go to work. I complain about this all the time, but this time of year, it is incredibly hard to keep my garage floor clean. There's always mud and salt from the roads, of course, from the road salt. And now we're headed into spring, or we're getting closer. It's still pretty cold. I've still been shredding. We have still been shredding as a family. So let's just start the detail. Wheels and tires. Let's start these. Carpet? Nope, no carpet. Obviously, with the layer of grime on the outside, we want to pre-wash, and we're going to use Koch Chemie Green Star, I think is what we got today. I am super excited to get busy again. It's been a little bit slower this winter than normal. Winter's always a tiny bit slow, but this one has just been a little abnormal. However, I was applying the pre-wash to the front or to the grill, and I got sad that we're heading into bug season again because it's nice to not have to clean bugs off. It kind of makes me laugh that I'm considering or talking about summer already, or spring at least, because what was it, last night? Last night we went shredding the nar-nar, as Monkey says, and it was cold. Cold enough that both the boys were, they were spent by 9 o'clock, so we went night boarding, but holy cow. It's just weird to think that swings of weather here. You can go snowboarding in the day and it's like still spring at the same time. It's just weird. I don't know, this time of year is weird. I actually detailed this Explorer before, but there's still some contamination on here, so we'll two-step decontaminate. First step is 3D's iron remover. I always think about products. I need to script these videos out. 3D iron remover, we'll spray it on, let it dwell, and then we'll rinse it off, and then we're gonna physically decontaminate with, I'll talk about that in a second. I was thinking about the movie Monty Python and the Holy Grail when they say they're gonna go to Camelot and then there's a whole song montage. And then I think it's King Arthur's character, he says, on second thought, let's not go to Camelot. It's a silly place. Well, my friends, the internet is like Camelot. It is a silly place. And I posted a video of my Jeep, a short of my Jeep on Instagram and here's on YouTube as well. And it was just me rinsing the door, no hand wash, no nothing. The pores were definitely clogged in that graphene ceramic coating that I have on there. You would not believe how many people, I think it was on Instagram, said that it didn't have a ceramic coating on there. And I just thought, the internet is a silly place. I know the Jeep has a ceramic coating because I put it there. Gloss black is a really pretty color. Do you want to know when it's even prettier? When it's protected. Let's do it. So interior is really not in rough shape. Definitely a focus is getting that milk up underneath that driver's seat. So I'll take these mats out, the WeatherTech. I don't like how WeatherTech stains, but they've kept the carpets pretty clean. Yeah, it's really not that bad. It's gonna be awesome. So we'll just get that driver's seat out really quick and the mats out. This detail is pretty awesome. I actually think all details are awesome. The vacuuming was pretty simple. It was really low key. Now we're gonna move on to the extraction. We're gonna clean the carpet, have some stuff, and let's just do it. I was thinking about the vehicle, and the customer said that it was stinky from the milk. I didn't really see a ton of evidence of the spilled milk, and I don't really have a great sniffer, but I didn't smell anything either, so I don't know. I mean, we extracted where the customer said it was, and of course we trust the customer, so I don't know what happened. Or if maybe it wasn't as bad. But it's clean now for sure. And there was the pour out from the extractor was a little bit more hazy than normal, so I'm assuming there definitely was milk down there. I just didn't see it. I guess it wasn't as bad. I was picturing it way worse. We'll just say that. I was picturing it dramatically worse. I don't know if I'm gonna need the steam cleaner. I gotta think, everything else is really clean on this. Let's start cleaning. If I need a steam cleaner, we'll repent and come back and grab it. But for now, we'll just grab a brush, microfiber towel, and of course, P&S Express interior detailing. So I was thinking about the movie, the new Point Break. Not the Keanu one, even though that one is really sick. Keanu and Swayze, if we're being fair. But I was thinking about the new one because they talk a lot about picking lines. And going back to the theme of my night, or at least what I'm thinking about a lot tonight, is snowboarding. And Spartacus has always had this ability. He's been snowboarding since he was 4 years old. And when he started, he just immediately grasped onto this idea of picking a line. And he picks the sickest lines. And when we were boarding last night, there was this kind of a tall ledge, and he just hopped up onto it like it was nothing and just cruised right along it, just like it was this natural flow. It was so beautiful. And again, thinking about the new Point Break movie, why didn't Bodie pick one of the lines, or why didn't he do one of the things? Because it wasn't beautiful. Actually, it wasn't Bodie. It was the main character, Johnny Utah. Johnny Utah didn't want to pick one line, I think when they were snowboarding in the film, because it wasn't beautiful. So Spartacus picks beautiful lines. Even though the plastics didn't take a long time to clean, they are now clean and look amazing. So is the leather. We're gonna switch over to Car Pro Pearl and do some dressing on both the leather and the plastic at the same time. Well, in the same step, because I want it to look beautiful. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer. I hope that nasty milk smell is out of this vehicle. I hope that you love this video, of course, and I hope that you like the results of the detail. This detail, like all detailing, was super sick. I'm gonna go wash some racks, go to bed. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.